Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleansing carefully because debris blocks extraction. Wash with a gentle cleanser using lukewarm water for about a minute to remove surface oil. Once done, open pores with 5-10 minutes of steam or a 0.5% saline compress to soften plugs. Make sure tools and hands are sanitized. Wipe metal extractors with alcohol. Now target visible whiteheads. Apply light pressure with a clean tissue over the area and use the extractor tip parallel to skin to coax the plug out. Next, address deeper blackheads by selecting the extractor loop that matches the pore size so you can apply even pressure. This prevents scarring. Press gently and roll or sweep the tool. Do not dig or force. If you see blood or feel sharp pain, stop immediately because that indicates trauma. Once the plug is cleared, apply a small amount of 2% salicylic acid to the spot to dissolve remaining oil and reduce recurrence. Make sure to pat dry and avoid overexfoliating the surrounding skin. To finish, cleanse the area, apply an antiseptic to prevent infection, then soothe with a non-comedogenic moisturizer and use SPF if exposed to daylight. Once healed, maintain a routine. Gentle cleanse, weekly exfoliant, and targeted 2% salicylic or 0.1% retinol at night. If you get persistent redness, swelling, or pustules, stop extracting and use a hydrocortisone 1% cream short-term. If problems persist or many lesions are painful, seek a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.